haven't made this in a long time. It's really good. I like it. Hi, I'm Yossy Arefi in the NYT Cooking Studio Kitchen, and I'm making my Miso-Honey chicken and asparagus. My goal with dinner is to make it as quick as possible and delicious as possible, with as few ingredients and clean up as possible also. Very important part of the equation. And this, you line the pan with foil so that you don't really even have to clean up the pan. So the only thing you're cleaning is the knife that you use to cut your asparagus and a bowl for the marinade. Sometimes sheet pan meals can feel really boring, but I have kind of a calculation that I do whenever I'm making one. So I do quick cooking protein, a quick cooking vegetable, and then a really delicious sauce that ties everything together. This sheet pan meal is some boneless, skinless chicken thighs with a super flavorful marinade, and then quick cooking asparagus on the side of that gets nice and toasted and roasted and a little bit charred from the broiler. This marinade has a lot going for it. It has salty soy sauce, some sweet honey, the delicious umami flavor of miso paste, and then a little bit of something spicy. It hits all of those delicious notes. It's gonna be savory, it's gonna be a little bit sweet, it's gonna have a little bit of heat, and then you'll also get some freshness from the garlic and the ginger. The recipe calls for white miso, but you could totally use red miso if that's what you have. And same for the hot sauce. You can use any hot sauce that you like. And you can add more or add less, whatever is your preference. And there's also a little bit of rice vinegar in here for a little bit of tanginess, and a little water to thin it, and some fresh ginger and fresh garlic. I'm just gonna whisk it until it's smooth. And you could definitely use this marinade on other proteins or tofu or tempeh. Tempeh doesn't get enough love. You can marinate this either in like a zip top bag like this, or you could put it in a shallow baking dish and just pour the marinade over the top. So I'm gonna use my non-chicken hand to pour half of this into the bag, and then we'll save part of it for later saucing. Seal up the bag, and then just make sure that all of the chicken is coated in the marinade. And if you're doing this in a shallow dish, you can just take tongs and stir it all up. If you're using a bag, definitely try to press out all the air. It'll keep the marinade closer to the chicken. And this is gonna hang out for like 30 minutes in the refrigerator. After your chicken has had a chance to hang out in the fridge and marinate, you're gonna wanna turn on your broiler with the rack set about 6 inches below. For the asparagus, I'm just gonna snap one out of my bunch to kind of see where the woody end is. And then I'll take the rest and just cut them all at one time. Very satisfying. And then these are gonna go onto the baking sheet. I'm gonna put a little bit of neutral oil and then a nice big pinch of salt and some black pepper. And just toss that all together. Make sure all of the asparagus stalks are coated with a little bit of the oil so they can get nice and brown under the broiler. And then spread them out into a more or less even layer on one side of the pan. Just make sure you have a little space left for your chicken. And you kind of want to try to get a little bit of the marinade off so it doesn't burn too much in the oven. Just give it a little shake. You want to also make sure that the chicken is in a single layer so it cooks evenly. Nice and cozy. And now we're going to take it to the broiler. The chicken and asparagus are gonna broil for about 10 minutes. You're looking for the chicken to be opaque and cooked through, and the asparagus will be bright green with some delicious charred spots on it. A lot of people are afraid to use their broiler, but the broiler is a great tool because it's gonna add some char to your dishes, which gives them lots of extra flavor, and it also cooks things really fast. About halfway through the cooking time, I rotated the pan in the oven so the chicken and the asparagus would cook evenly. So steamy. You can tell that it's done. The chicken is nice and charred. The asparagus has some nice browning on it. It looks juicy, it looks delicious. So now let's eat it. Ooh, that was fun. I have some nice steamed rice here. And then I'm gonna choose the most charged chicken because it has the most flavor. And a nice pile of asparagus here. And then we have this delicious reserved marinade that I'm just gonna drizzle all over everything. And the last little touch is some fresh scallions. Is it bite time? What do I want to eat? Chicken or asparagus? You can see the chicken is still super juicy, and hopefully it's not too hot. Oh, it's so good. Yum. It's sweet and it's salty. It's a little bit tangy from the vinegar, a little bit spicy from the hot sauce. Just kind of has everything that you could want. It's so tasty. I'm eating another bite. So juicy. Find this recipe and more of my recipes on NYT Cooking.